how to ignore bots in your n8n webhook node. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can ignore bots in your n8n webhook. So first, let me add a particular webhook node by simply typing in webhook. And now you can see I have added this webhook node. And let's say now if I wish to ignore the bots, so what I can do is simply go to the options and from here click on add options. Now from here you can see the third option, ignore bots. Simply click onto this and the option will be added. To enable, simply click onto the toggle and you will see that the ignore bots toggle is now successfully enabled. So that's how easily you can do this. Similarly, you can do this for an already existing webhook node as well. So that was all for this tutorial. If this video was helpful to you, do make sure to drop a like. Let us know in the comments if you were able to do this or not. And thanks you for watching this video. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting content.